This is the third time that a central health team has come to Hyderabad to review the situation here, the policy decisions being taken, and also look at the containment zones and the hospital infrastructure that's available here. What we understand is that they have said that there should be ramped up testing now, and they have also said that they should have more contact tracing, and the clinical aspects also need to be taken off in a better way, and they have also suggested that there should be possibly more containment measures taken. This comes at a time when we are talking about the Chief Minister also likely to take a decision within the next 3 to 4 days that there will be a lockdown in the GHMC area, which includes Hyderabad, Rangareddy as well as Medchal, which in fact account for almost 72% of the cases. In fact, if you go into the detail, we are talking about 10,961, nearly 11,000 cases out of the 15,394 in the state coming just from the GHMC area. And even yesterday, 975 was the total number of cases, and out of that 861 came from Hyderabad, so which is a very high number of cases coming from this particular area. And also the fact that the positivity rate in Telangana has been very high. We have been talking about 17 to 18% positivity rate, and ever since the ramped up testing from the 15th of June onwards, the rates some days have been as high as 25 to 30%, which means 1 in every 4 persons who is getting tested is in fact testing positive for the virus. So this comes at a time when in fact at least 2 senior people from the TRS, one a senior minister and another person holding a important position, another MLA, he is also tested positive. The health minister said that 3 others MLAs had tested positive earlier and they had recovered, and there was also Congress leaders who have tested positive, and that there is no reason for worry. But people are raising the question about why the VIPs, whether it's the MLAs or the ministers, why they opt for private treatment if they are claiming that the government infrastructure is so good. And one activist, Sunita Krishnan, in fact said that it should be made mandatory for the political leaders, the people who we elect, to opt for government treatment. Only that way the government infrastructure will perhaps get better. In Hyderabad, with camera person Nagraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.